difference between shimmy, Egyptian shimmy, and vibration? Let's talk about it and practice. Welcome to mile 40. Today we are going to talk about shimmy, Egyptian shimmy, and vibration. Do you know the difference? Let's talk about it and practice. First of all, we have to take in mind we are beautiful dancer posture. So remember, we have legs open wide to our hips, bend your knee a little bit, and engage your core so you protect your lower back. Stretch your ab and your chest, your chin, and your beautiful arms. So here we are ready to start with our shimmy. So what is the secret of shimmy? We have three different forms of shimmy. Shimmy start with your knees. So you have to be gentle with your knees all the time. We are only do the forward and back, forward and back. This is the secret of shimmy. Forward and back, forward and back. The secret is the velocity, the speed, right? So if I start speeded, you can see that all my body start moving, and you don't have to stop it. You have to let it go. You have to let your body feel the movement. And then when we have this pace and continuously forward and back, another tip, your weight had to go in the middle to the toes, not back. It's in the middle or in your toes. So you weight going a little forward, no back, instead of forward. And there we release all the tension on your knees. So your knees are free to do the movement forward and back. When we have this pace, we call it Egyptian shimmy. It's an Egyptian shimmy, and you can keep it for how long you want it. You know, Egyptian shimmy, forward and back, change it, side to side, and the movement is continuously forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Okay, let's go to the next level. Next level is shimmy or vibration. So vibration is a small movement, forward and back. I'm still doing forward and back, but it's the concentration of the energy on your knees. And when you do this vibration, all your body is vibrating, and you can feel it. And then Egyptian shimmy and vibration. Do you see the difference? Let's see it together. Egyptian shimmy and vibration. Look at this. Vibration and vibration and Egyptian shimmy, Egyptian shimmy, Egyptian shimmy, Egyptian shimmy. Breathe in and out. We can do shimmy in any direction, and you can keep the movement with the shimmy or vibration, vibration, Egyptian shimmy, just three. I hope you can see the difference between the vibration and the Egyptian shimmy. Now, let's go into practice with a short routine.
لي الباب